Nikola Jokic.
Oh my God! Is that it? Is this it?
Dante DiVincenzo, Devin Vassell, side PC. Oy, may pink. Mamaya na yung pink. And for our tiger stripe, it's not a rookie.
Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. Very happy episode today. I pulled what could be one of the not me, Nico Rocha from Manila Box Break. I did a personal box break. So ibig sabihin nun, siya yung nagbukas ng box. He streamed it on Facebook Live. And then lahat ng laman ng box na yun is mine. So we bought a Prism Fast Break box. We got 2 boxes. And we pulled one of the most sickest, dopest NBA cards I've ever pulled or I've ever gotten from random box break. So I'll cut to the clip right now of Nico pulling some of the highlights of the cards para makita ninyo. Then I'll show you the card over there in my workstation.
Dante DiVincenzo, Devin Vassell, side PC. Oy, may pink. Mamaya na yung pink. Oh my God! Lebron James. Ooh! 10 of 50. Nung nakita ko na yung top, boom! Pwede na, okay, end the stream. 10 of 50 Lebron. Oh my God. Sheesh! Hindi mo babaliw doon. Wow! Trae Young. Tabi. Mags to. Mamags yan. Grab. Check pa ba natin to?
Okay, so nakita nyo naman kung anong card yon. So I have it over here. Babam! Oh, di ba? Panalo! Absolutely insanely sick. Grabe. So this is number 10 out of 50. The LeBron tribute dunk. And I can't believe it. So apparently this one, it's live. May live bidding right now on eBay for number 35. So a higher number. And the higher number of this one is the highest bid right now is like $1,700 with 3 days to go. Ang plano ko dito, dahil low number siya, and sobrang ganda ng corners, and mukhang medyo decent centering, pwedeng pag-grade to eh. So plano ko siya pag-grade, and hopefully, it comes out na sobrang okay. Mag-PSA 10 siya. So tingnan natin. Pag nag-PSA 10 to, boom! Sobrang lupit, guys. Sobrang lupit. So again, shout out to Manila Box Breaks. Nico, brother, salamat. What a sick pull. Now, sa mga nagtatanong, there were other cards that we pulled, but hindi na sobrang, alam mo yun, talagang mahulog ka sa upuan mo. So ito yung mga autos namin that we got. Thaddeus Young, we got more parallels of certain rookies. We have a bunch of parallels na, ano ko, disco ba tawag mo dyan? Ito yung variation rookie namin, which is Onyeka Okongwu. By the way, these 3 cards were also, actually may isa pa Ant-Man variation, but it's no longer here kasi ginamit namin siya as a prize for Araz. Were also pulled by Nico, but from a different box. So we have the LaMelo variation over here, rookie card. We have a Denny Avdia. Ganda oh, team color. And this one is numbered. This one is numbered 64 out of 125. And he got me this, which is, of course, SGA ng Thunder. And guys, take a look at that. 3 out of 5. 3 out of 5. There are only 5 cards like this in the world. Crazy. That is absolutely sick. So, etong mga to, na-pull niya from another box with the Ant-Man pa. So, lupit. I also want to share a few more breaks or cards or loots that I got. So this one naman is from our good friends over at Lucky Box Breaks. So tingnan nyo to. This is from a Spectra case break that I joined. I picked Atlanta Hawks and ano ba? Pistons. Detroit. So ito yung mga major hits natin. We have a Trae Young. I think you call it Interstellar. And apparently this is numbered 35 out of 35. So last print Trae Young. We have Dikembe Mutombo. Wow. Naalala niyo yung finger niya na gumagano kay Michael. Ginanon niya si Michael Jordan. Ito yung move usually ni Mutombo. Tapos nag-usap sa linya ni Jordan. Nag-dunk si Jordan kay Mutombo. Tapos si Jordan yung gumanon. Panalo. So we have an auto. Ganda na signature niya. Oh. Tapos parang pinapaalala niya na Hall of Fame talaga siya. Diba talaga, pero sobrang haba ng sig niya. We have Dennis Rodman. Wow, talk about an OG. This one is in his Pistons. Ay, mag-focus ng camera ko yan. This one is in his Pistons uniform on sticker auto. We have Seiko Dombuya from the Pistons, auto ulit. We have, of course, over here, Adrian Dantley or Daintley. We have this redemption card. So this is a redemption card for Killian Hayes. It's a rookie jersey autograph. We have John Collins from Atlanta, Lou Williams, Kyler Maves, Jeremy Grant, Killian Hayes again, Saben Lee. So lucky box breaks. Maraming salamat for that one. EJ, brother. So I appreciate you. Now, dun sa Spectra, yung pinaka nagustuhan ko, obviously may marami tayong auto from Detroit, no? Pero iba pa rin talaga pag you pull a card that's your PC, so that's your personal collection. And to those who don't know me, I've been collecting Trae Young cards. So ang sarap lang ng feeling to get a numbered Interstellar yata tawag dito na Trae Young card. So super happy na ito yung nakuha ko dyan. Now, hindi pa tayo tapos. I also have a couple of really sick, crazy good cards from Paul. From Paul's World, including 2 Gold Wave cards. Random lang ako dyan, PR, and napanalo natin siya. So Paul's World is another box breaker that I support. Sobrang chill na mga breaks niya. I joined one of his breaks na random, tapos I ended up getting like both Gold Waves. So, ito yung mga other cards, pero tingnan na lang natin kung ano yung mga major hits. I won't go through every single one. So, this one is a Gold Wave Isaac Okoro. Pwede ko na nga gawing PC. So, Isaac Okoro from the Cavs. So, di ba? Ganda. So, panalo. The Gold Wave isn't numbered, but it looks really, really dope. I mean, guys, take a look at that. Of course, the other cards are here. We also got, ito naman, D'Angelo Russell. So, Dilo. Sayang, muntik na sana Ant-Man na lang, no? But di na magreklamo. Ang ganda rin, Panalo. So, another nice card. Ayun, Ant-Man. Meron tayong Ant-Man dito na base. Jaden McDaniels. And then we have a bunch of other cards from the Nets and the other teams, Knicks and Chicago, that I got from the Team Random. Okay, di ba? Isaac Okoro. Ito na to, Isaac Okoro PC. Now, I have one last, actually kasi may isa pa, but second to the last, ito naman are Marvel cards. So these are Marvel cards, Black Diamond cards that I got from a box break by Mr. Kirby. Kirby, the man from the cardboard corner. So tingnan nyo kung ano yung nakuha ko. So I ended up getting 6 cards. 1 card wala na kasi we used it for a Raz. But I'll show you the other cards that I got. So this one is a Black Diamond patch. Chris Evans as Steve Rogers. We have the Diamond Facet, Scarlett Johansson, Black Widow from Captain America Winter Soldier. We have a 1-of-1. So this is 1-of-1 sketch, exquisite Professor X. Dito sa likod, we have a numbered exquisite Scarlet Witch, 8-of-23. And apparently my biggest hit, which is supposedly over $1,000 or over 50,000 pesos, is this, which is a Captain America Steve Rogers auto. So Black Diamond 13-of-23. Chris Evans as Captain America. You have the signature over there. Kirby, brother, magdala ka pa ng mga Marvel boxes dito kasi sobrang lupit niya, bro. Sobrang lupit. Lupit ng Captain America, no? Actually, the card I was looking forward or I wanted to get was like a Thor auto, but man, I will not complain. Captain America auto out of 25 in the world. Winner. Now, yung pinakahuli kong kwento para sa inyo is about a random break. So, I bought a box on a Friday afternoon. 1 Court Kings box over at the Cardboard Corner at Unbox Green Hills. Tingnan nyo yung nangyari. Shoutout nga pala kay Your Gadgets. Brother, maraming salamat. Ginawa niya ako ng custom Funko Pop. Ang ito. Kuha yung magulo kong buhok na dyan, yung camera. Doon pa si Dusty. Kasi mga mystery boxes ni Your Gadgets dito sa Unbox Green Hills. Ang galing. Shoutout to 3D printed custom pop by Maker Carl. Kyle Lowry, Donovan Mitchell, Nikola Jokic.
Oh my God! Is that it? Is this it?
What?
Blank slate na to.
Boom! What the hell? Grabe! Jason Tatum blank slate on a random Friday afternoon. Grabe! Alam mo guys, nanlibre ako ng yogurt. Diba? So you reap what you sow. Dahil nanlibre ako ng yogurt, bumalik sa akin tenfold.
Tsaka
Baka
nabibigay
gusto nyo
ka
pa,
sa Raz.
baka gusto nyo pa ng pagkain. Gusto nyo ng dinner? Grabe! The very first blank slate that I've ever pulled by myself, this Jason, grabe, Jason Tatum. Medyo nasa-shock pa rin ako na I pulled this one. So apparently, based on comps, this one is $600 or roughly 30,000 pesos. So yun, no? Ang ganda. May kasama pang ang Poku, Pokusevsky, nasa na ba yun? Na level 3. Yan, no? So we even have a Poku level 3 over here, na rookie card. And meron din parallel na numbered of Kevin Garnett na Artistry in Motion. So let me just let the camera focus again dahil nagloloko na naman siya. This one is numbered, ano ba to? 14 out of 99. So, di ba? Lucky streak is real! Okay, so guys, I need your advice. Should we have this Lebron James purple disco, yung batawag mo dito, na out of 50, 10 out of 50 graded? Kasi it looks like the corners are very sharp. Medyo off-center siya ng slight feeling ko, but I may be mistaken. But I really want to check if this is worth grading. So I will send this over to Rico. So siya yung nagpapagrade right now nung Lebron James namin na duet gold, 1 out of 10. So it had LeBron wearing both the Cavs and the Lakers uniform. Tas gold siya, 1 out of 10. First print. Potentially PSA 9 to 10 daw yun. So tingnan natin kung to kaya din mag PSA 10. Kung ganon, mind blown. So let me know what you think. Comment section. Kwentuhan niyo ako or give me some advice. So yun, that actually wraps up today's vlog. It's been a crazy lucky streak. I doubt it will continue. Malamang lahat ng breaks ko in the next few days will suck. But yeah, I just wanted to share this one with you guys, and I hope you're all okay. I hope you're all blessed. I hope you're all happy, and I just pray na all of you stay healthy and inspired and motivated despite everything that we're going through today, no? Lalo na with the pandemic. So as usual, this is Carlo signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up? Boom.